na mekwa akoda nyame ase se NPP for apamo no abo Kennedy Agyapong me pese ono abo Ken kran NPP for mpamo no na me hwe peace NPP for benya wo party no na me hwe energy o benya wo mu na me hwe momentum a party ne begada against 2028 election ye be kire o say yen say omo in politics ne ya yensu ma battle but I am daring them say omo ntumi mpamo no NPP for ntumi mpamo no abo Kennedy Agyapong somo ye mema omo mpamo no abo Kennedy Agyapong. You are daring. They would only yeti ha Anna Amuakwata ne Patrick Buamamo committee. This is committee, you know. At the Americans Assembly crowd or the buy. Me say, I'm not Abu Ken Abu wrong. Someone to me and you Abu Kennedy said this is committee. I do over the Akoya. Almost say, Ken must go. I'm not to me Abu Ken wrong. Yeah, almost less than 2 weeks. 7 days now started that. Almost less than 2 weeks. By next week, not 2 weeks in Aso. We are watching the moment. Just say, maybe tonight, grab a NPP for you are daring them now. So, now, listen to me. NPP phone to me, you are about Kennedy. Because one, and 7 will petition me that they don't make sense. Articles are almost quoting NPP constitution, say anti party behavior, no, it does not conform to petition, no, and the petition about black completely. And the honorable Kennedy Agyapong, or no, or they say, Prekese Diana do or no Fitikuti and what Gyamfi. Honorable Chairman Fuku, the boys we are now can, or can baby say, or Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and he's not going alone. Now, NPP phone him say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wants to Alan Alan Kyeremanteng one parliament that. Alan Kyeremanteng, a star of politics, is different from Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And Tiyomo found Alan Kyeremanteng and Yastik so Alan Koyeno, Alan Koyeno, were Nashe ewo general election. And some people who win election. It is more about doing the say, Obi Fimwa, uncle, the person cannot win the presidency. And you know. What they say, Alan Koyeno, where's me the presidency? Alan Koyeno, so 2.1 million people and and also why not talking about that? Alan Koyeno, 2.1 million people abstained from the general election. They didn't vote. Okay. She Ope Obiwa MPP party is here. Why is so irrelevant? All fighting. Last Mkacha was say he is on image recovery mission. Engineer Kwabena Agyapong. Oh, sir. Yes. But you see, say Kwabena Agyapong, no NPP history. No, I am the custodian of this, custodian of that. No, Wabeye so useless in the party to the point say now or pleasing kwara what party no na openi to say or no or they be regaining image. Tefreka kra won to be my party. Me say Kwabena Agyapong obi an nsem wo den na ntim wo den wo NPP so befa fans dey aboa party na nipa ba ko no. For before, and now they see a Kwaku election. As far as the phone, I bet you can watch your man's won't be. On more part of Hoka, not what you have credibility crisis in the party. I feel the president will obey Chelsea on Nabu Agyapong out of also can Honorable can be done. The image you will Asam na basa ya na mpese ekoda ansa because Kwabena Agyapong say so kan ho say obe chase your na mo kan obe twane Africa na mo e kwati kwasi from Asama Jamavoko. Okay, it is not different from any right thinking Ghanaian and NPP person bia. I quite almost fast so I'm de atnya de koya ye di yi na di the same thing. Well orchestrated. Well orchestrated say oma planet otchere Mensa buntu ni hubi. Yi ni hubi or the say otchere Mensa buntu ni hubi. Or the say ayu afri ni hubi. Nana bi ankasa kra ni hubi. Say chairman won to me kra san. Oh, na say enkofo no na Aremeyaw say next year, 10 July, no, I holiday na courts as I yi near my film. Catch was say, ofie kwa wase de
na port so shete July no name say July no beba
say o de horo grad 20 July na e de beba
na adwen amaso
20 July na e de ya
say asofo na ahase ne ahemfo ne na mase mo party
o beba yamfa bra
Ghana na e wo
e beba mzenku o ti ase na me sama sana ka se da mani beje a mekwa akoda nyame ase wa sori de me da me sori a meti se NPP for apamo honorable Kennedy Agyapong afi party num esi yayi na di sada no mani beje na me ho be sepe me
now why no they call committee why
honorable Ken
so why dey
anti-party behavior and we're putting
anti-party behavior and they say all kind of cray anti-party behavior
but at all time you need to defend your party
now me no me one say the same party in the list 10 sins of honor
ba
ayo one na
nye nwanwa
time yes who said Judas be na man who must catch Judas or say hurry up catch Judas me catch them say they should hurry up. Who are they inviting now one more who are the members atente won ti o mo to de and them no you be say equity you say the obenanti akọ equity animu no uncle with clean hands. Enti mu say mu ye discipline no. Mu so mu hwe mo say honorable Ken ba mo ani no betra se no ka so tretre fa mu a.
Ai. No pejanity.
Just say and me mo be the process here jira. Honorable Ken ba mo ani supposedly I'm not saying. So be call ana onko. Supposedly. So oba ho. Na order necessary form. No chairman name Abaku who Atta. No sati tre. Then the second person name Obano ni asati tre. Ni ahwe the second third person Obano ni asati tre. Omo so me lawyers omo no ni asati tre. Owia. So obepeja ne ti no. Na committee no.
Na homo da so te
wa na. Na almost bibi ye. Now I don't even know say can they look at honorable Ken the pedigree and the munyam any since before 1992 our Washington DC our New York and so ta omuye aluta and prepare Ghana for democratic rule about 1990 about 92 from a time 96 the contribution to the party, it wasn't anti-party behavior. 2000, the contribution, it wasn't anti-party behavior. Time all fighting for the party, or defending the party, or in the life, even treason, it wasn't an anti-party behavior. Why ya besine na so yempeso be kanu kra na. Na Ghana for 20 year refi. One mo twa piti omo refi say your national anthem no e that's all na. Or see resist oppressors rule. So one person, I don't want to be correct because what can people say a few woman there and don't hear that's all the pump. Let not go. Hey, discipline committee, and who is discipline in there? Who has integrity in there? Let me say honorable call.
Obeko.
Me too no for. Let's say our court to swear. Yeah, lawyers in Ubi. You be doing nochi. Now, one more titi dem hollow. Ya also be a discipline dear no. How disciplined are they? There's also a discipline committee member. Now, many women are not pa. Trust me, not kumbia. But not to the same level as or say Mensa Bonsu. But not to her.
And you didn't
Kyei, okay. But 75. Who that they show what to baby no more. I say we now for focus here what dia. We dey ever change no. Ya busa we say dia bonya no ye no what ye. Na ko mi say mante. So selective here.
Yeah.
Dia bonya no ye. Dia ayu no ye. Against the constitution. Say ya the hooligans. Ever say aba ye beto no. And then ye anti-party
internal. party members against each other.
If you capsize the constitution of the party, say young trouble if we na pampem embra na se e me di fi na se e ko na pampem mu ye konkolai e ti chim di pansa na wo ye sa de no ma patem gu ase e de be na ye anti party sa e de be na ye anti party behavior say young trouble nwie ye ya ye nu se wo se ye trouble nwie 3 ye bu baba du wie na isi declare ye na wo di party anim ye di stia ma wo se di party na nim na we di party na nim ne mo baba wie na we join free stadium e de be na ye anti party e che say e de be na go party we animu ase say de na abetika o ma lectures and ma promises and ma vision move for me na me drive me ba economy me ni say me ba o share about akese about the economy of Ghana na oba ye want mi anya hu na yakoto aba na it be lose by 2.1 million. A dear ben the chair we are a anti-party say ya. I'm bringing the name of the party into disrepute. Now listen to this. I dare hear anti-party behavior brings the name of the party into what? The party then go at a chain. Now and Pempenso de from all the way 52 point something. All the way to the so-called 40% or 41%. The so-called underline 40% no yeah.
Some would declare the
party abba from saying a dear ben anti-party behavior say your policy you been see the history of the party that no and far party needing Emma disrespute now. And no the multi petition. And no the multi kuku di pardon ko jina ho say you find it out. Mutimi and yes, I know my way. Now, Obi a can crack. Say, Bobaya no munye say, and this is Esutiminya will come to crack as a patriotic Ghanaian. That's a Buka, Namuka, and what would you want to do? They expect honorable Ken. So, only a Bronya, Ebetina campaign, so only Begina Davis, so I campaign. Do they expect him? Do they expect honorable Ken? So, only say Table Sabonsu. The initiator of all these things. A campaign platform, so I campaign. Only a Josafo. A campaign. How a cooking. May the wood make kinds of people how a cooking. Bejina campaign, so I campaign. So only a year one more.
Nasa won yakra ni kwansa oka echere.
No. Kamunka mamenka. Onyaku bokra ba wiase o say let there be light. Na abeka say de bamadunu. Time Moses ekonya me animu Yakupon because of busa. O say edebe le kutabwe.
Puma
na sa puma no. Nyamema ne de perform wonders. Say a fret wo mo do mo di na chiri nyina ba. Na the honorable Ken so be gina nyame no Yakupon busa honorable Ken say edebe le kutabwe. O say mabia nyuma. O say maye we Missy Hospital. Maye we maye say my yes, from the constituency from northern region all the way to western region to central region, everywhere in the contribution to the party and the contribution to the country. And when the kuta men, when you miss any twaso, Russo a debe the kuta war, who if can. Now, when you can't own pass your becca, baby or minor druno, any baby I yet do say no. Or mining church da or one. They need somebody what can you create or what can you create or your discipline or done in mind. Now also that oppressor. We will not sit here and allow them. Allow them to destroy this country. We will speak and fight for Ghana, for the youth. I'm a Ghana father to
1 minute. Party. Ono akwakot na neck meeting ama obidi petition abase obi aka asem eje eden yen refer no disciplinary committee this party ti ha ama mo original chairman din Kwako Atem party na say ya ti say original chairman din Kwako Atem ya twe ho afi
super hand
ye de ya twe ho afi na asem na akoka ni nyere mu onkoso no ni na tem. And this is the same party. Among hypocrites. I could the Lisa Hotel say ya refer the day na metie one or the say MPL techima or the say mofa ne dimra akwa or techima akwaya obuba ya director of elections no say ana honorable Kennedy Agyapong ana obejai de oye na onjai matiaje Mensa kosa ana be say awurade and then Martin MP kasa honorable Kennedy Agyapong anim my goodness na more MPP no na more enfa
Edi ne bus is Jambasi.
Amatumpaya na kesa na dunnyina
lawyer ma me ma 1 minute me ma bet 1 minute ne enko minute no kwasa ba monje 1 ne enko.
You see, the ambassador make kind of say, I am say MPP for me. No almost three. You only honorable Ken a interviewer. It was so straightforward and simple. Osi munko na munko tie adwono a your friend the gambler. Na munfam aba.
By Kenny Regis.
na mofantum
Mofantum. Omankotie. Then they went ahead. Ekofa emoframa. Ya ye twa party na fum akwa no omo janum eni ho. Ebe kase omoni honorable Ken free. Ena abe say eda honorable Ken e we free party me eda na ni beje. Me so eda mesu pa wiase. And then me ka omontie de gam mesu me kwaku data mesu pa no. Eda honorable Ken ebe ko gina
disciplinary committee
any that misu so honorable can be decide say all call disciplinary committee that will be a damn me misu so obe decide me misu but that me misu no
na na so akoma
da honorable be ya tum say me bu mo be o call disciplinary committee akotena amaya to nano the so-called Sahindrin atoto nano and then da me
ubesu
finally MP4 no ho say tabo mo start the politics of Ghana hanya na Kwame Nkrumah no tell baby o o say bin see that Kwame Nkrumah ejije ho free mu no is it UGCC
yeah
o say matimi ho free mu no ya of former CPP no o say bin see that he became the first president of Ghana
yeah
and ti ma o mo tra ho enunu o mo ho no mo sere na o mo ni say be na free mu they should remember 31st January declaration ebinun free mu ko ye acha na so mo ni mo ntie Boakye Agyarko o si so o mo ni MPP fo a o mo akoma mu
o ma resign ya
o mo resign free party ni mu a enka wo mo nya o mo adwiri se o mbe yi edom
ade no so reflecting well let's see no more
o mo no body na o mo yi edom adi so o mo invite honorable aba the so-called disciplinary committee,
the kangaroo disciplinary committee.
No, I'm invited a dom number. I don't think. I'm not speaking on his behalf now, but I don't think. So this invitation will be do.
Who's in the pain?
Me see the pain.
I mean, now I say,
so who yam pesi ye bu wadi chie.
Now say tibakoto
me so. Oti abomu to me so. Yadi ka catch them your mama timeline.
Wa bra second gina wachi.
It's timeline ti abomu so. Who yam pesi ye bu wadi chie. Oti abomu to me so. Kete so no be den.
Embe Johnson. Albert Mayanko.
Bizako.
Yes sir.
Say lawyer kai no. Ma ade na me person ke bi ajo da but ma menti ho kakra. Hwe ope obi wo MPP party mzese ya why so irrelevant or fighting last catch I say he is on image recovery mission ya engineer Kwabena Agyapong
oh sir
yes why you see say Kwabena Agyapong no huna MPP history no I am the custodian of this custodian of that no wabeye so useless in the party to the point say now or person o pleasing kwara e party no na opportunity say no or they be regaining image
tefreka kra won to be my party
me say Kwabena Agyapong obi an nsem odin na ntim odin wa MPP wo so befa fans dey aboa party na nipa ba ko no for be say before e dey na see akwakoye election aspirant for any abetres ka no otwe ho ma so so ontua o mo party ho ka not what you have credibility crisis in the party afraid there wo press wo no o be chase Honorable Agyapong out of
so kan ho Honorable can be Jan
the image you nyam wo adwa practice
on say asem ne ba sa ya na mpese ekoda ansa
be me plan ya me ya because they say me Jan no
Kwabena Agyapong say so kan ho say o be chase Honorable can o be twane Africa bien fait signer
obeti meta de se kwati kwasi
enipa bia na Kennedy Agyapong na oye wo supporters wo lusu e nti wo so mo agya wo ba NDC ena meduru ha edwobodo so kan na minim so mo ye MPP for pa Agyapong asem no bio look mumma Kennedy Agyapong mumfa no ntoto ikuna bi agima Rollins ho na mumfa no ntoto guzita no ho any binje hwan na mo anjenyo say base oh ma menka masem so de waka de yavi de ntia ya make us an say say ya me no ka say me wadum ha wunim sem wo shop ha enipa bia na Kennedy Agyapong na oye wo supporters wo lusu e nti wo so mo agya wo ba NDC ena me duru ha edwobodo so kan na minim so mo ye MPP for pa look ebeti wa ba say bi o mbeke kasa you see badudu see eto aba Kennedy Agyapong dewo MPP nti no ebi ombeto abombo yini firi ho abeya so de amamu Kennedy Agyapong onye ordinary person no na no odin na no ya so de ate nti semu yini firi party no a party no ensemu a ya Kennedy Agyapong obeka no enye binie kwenu agima Rollins yes no influencer but na ano ya no eni nsem keka no na nuru Kennedy Agyapong de to so bio ye be ko ti ya mo no se wa portrait no ho se party ni mu no why are the biggest financier? Kennedy Agyapong san wa portrait mo susu mo dispute to that fact. What me talk pick up and the all the constituencies. Obia ma bonti me kan say the work na no.
Mo na unti ye.
Swati ase. Wa portrait no say why the biggest financier. Wo dey ma menka dey make an wi. Enti ni supporters no. Wo benya ni sympathy so obia ya wo no waboa mo say pa no. Mu yi na firi mu dia. Ene wo so mbekire mo. On betchire mo enti no enye easy sa enti me de medaka opa o mahene me ne no yanto ntia sesi ya so wo muntimi nya Kennedy Agyapong foko wo muntimi nyi ne da isa problem opa yanto ntia muntimi nyi no muntimi suspend no ana muntimi nyi na dim free party no
uja
opa o mi yanto ntia sesi ya o se
uja mi awe jade
sa
ufa mi afa musu
sa
Santrofia
no ma enti wa ye Santrofia no ma e de ma mo na mo ka ho bi e da mo na amana du de adu because
at a point in time in as much as say ebia or no so crop kasa ebia the certain words utterances
the temperature is not different
that was used for him I mean to tell Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say onom nedru I mean you are just telling him say
nadwene ye
book can say litrina
yakopa immunity nadwene say na mo de ye campaign ya
words that were used
yo sir
in as much as say oka bibinia
dia no
ne person ene ne yare ne ne ma
mo de ye campaign ya no
you go deeper and on an branch chapel can say those words no expect to say after you know na mpanimfo no bi ebetwe sam rante ni bi anaso omemo ma pane champo right the champo wrote it he said he did not see it and that was an overlap from the elders of he say amwa because they be on no ka sa na mi fa no anka be ne ya
enti no
can't so enipa
we nipa enti nsɛm a ɛyɛ mo akatia no no obia na we bibitia no a ɔde cho me ka sɛ me ni papa bi san wo se ɔno de ɔyɛ ne bɔne a ɛnya me nkwa na ɔka kyerɛ wi wo sa aka kyerɛ no da pɛ na kyerɛ sɛ de ɔka ne sɛ na wo se woyɛ ne bɔne a na sɛ wadwene yɛ so ɔde akyɛwa agoro na wudi
ɔmfa nkyɛw
aha wo so wɔn de ɔnya onipa
nya ne bɔne
enti ɛnwadwene so ɔbɛyɛ ne bɔne ɛnya me nkwa na ɔka kyerɛ me enti wɔkae no na me nkwa me wura fi na sɛ ɔkɔka asɛm koro no akyerɛ nipa bi ma nipa no
and there are people like that
na nipa no ɛbɛka kyerɛ me sɛ hwɛ
nipa no
wo nipa no a ne nam na asɛm sɛ ne waka wo enti hwɛ ho yiye ɛwɔ no ho enti wɔka saa sɛ fɛ nam taa me wɔka kyerɛ me no
mamfa na asɛm
bia
ba sɛ mienu abɛtɔ
so dia na kyerɛ sɛ asɛm pa na wɔka no enti sɛ Kennedy Agyapong saa na wɔte dia na ɛmo haw so onye obi ɛyɛ ɔde bɔne kyɛ dia bɔne a mo ayɛ ne obia no ɛnya de ɔde bɛkyɛ no.
Okay, yɛmfa dwumadie no nsi ha yɛmmerɛ no nti
the temperature is different
now. Okay. On the note of that, we say thank you for staying with us. My name is
Jackie Ninkomo, Openi Ekuyoku nsɛm a wɔkan bi mu kyerɛ sɛ radio wɔ susu gye gumudeɛ anaasɛ ohun sɛ the NPP's internal stability no ɔpɛ because NDC ni.
I think sɛ or play the devil's advocate here.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Because on one side, you know, as a original NPP afan epesasum JPM. On the other side, you know, so as a was also born Trehebia, a Terese, NPP for and this one, yes, Jumana, as a Jabi Tom Amon on a party no Maniaji. As the all here, so all can say, oh, Kennedy Agyapong Kojo no Krena no worker. And any kwan sɛ ɔmo de ne compare obi te sɛ Kunadu Ajamai Rollins ne Gusitano esan sɛ Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong or loud mouth and ɔsan so information kura no ɔno an ɛsan so yɛ finance a ɛwɔ NPP party nim nti ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ very careful with him nyɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ ɛma ne free mu a ɛbɛha ɔmo a kyerɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ tie saa nsɛnsɛm na wɔka ne deɛ a ɛkame akɔyɛ sɛ he is calling for the internal stability of NPP but on the other hand no so wutimi ba na se also be ka say oh there NPP for say so mo ye mema o mo nsake Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong free party it is a kobasa na NPP mpanifo so te honom na ebowura o mo tiri no mo ye say okay as akwa no kwa ni need agro dodo o tete party do amanfo kura hu ni say ye mema di take decision bi a ebeko e de atia Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong on that score no de ebe no to Akuyakon in favor so na no wo say so bubu baby say nipa bi wo no ma oye no bone a onfa nche as o penti picture bi say Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong anya de so de be che omo di Kennedy te kran o be ka say ono de osunda ya ntokwa ne sikantie ne no kra no work kan nya de am de be che NPP for e bia na won no so akogina so no take decision bi enti me de me hu no say the devil's advocate and will play on one breath no or can be the party no on another side no or on so party interest
na said the OC ma ayi say as a honorable Agyapong supporters ne so chiko NDC na ye say eno ma bia shasi o say supporters of MPP ni be so chiko NDC ana
yes true because say we obekaya maybe ahead of 20 prior to 2024 no I say Boakye Agyarko can the same thing. I know what you say. Aboa bi te se kraman de oni de or no ye na de no won kwa we mo hu se nya de zo beko oni wachi but bibi te se nipa de e betima ba se on the surface ni de obi atete wonu mu de a ha obega se through 2028 on beto aba ama but na ni tiri mu no nya afa na adwen dada e no hwe scenarios ano painti e be so wo kire se market women na e wo edwom no e ade se first na nkomu nyina no omo the NPP achi because of Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong the donations na nyoma bi oyede mo but they say no do hono ma ezu which means amanfo asase e koda dada na mo NPP no na ebia omo realize ye at say sa nyoma no so ade se ha NPP for pa in 2024 at say obeka ya chi Mensa recently ba bonten ebe kan say ade se lan Kojo Kyeremanteng nya ne numbers ketu bi na wonyaye no and say amanfo focusing on na mom ade say what na se na hwe o ma no mo pena so mo nkoto aba ade say na do so pa intimidate me su say yes amanfo asase join NDC dadada ene ade ana ebesi esa nyoma yakoso NPP party ma mentime ho ase any instability bia akasakasa bi bebre bia yakoso NPP party ni
yen hwa de said the OC eka say
I'm obedient to me and disprove say Honorable Ken Agyapong were one of the big financiers in NPP. Does that confirm say Honorable Ken Agyapong financially in hostage? I can't say financially hostage to one the NPP itself is financially hostage to one man's goodwill and loyalty.
I don't think the NPP leadership silence, it means they are financially hostage to Kennedy Agyapong. I think they acknowledge the fact that he is the biggest contributor, but there are others who has also contributed. And me say for peace sake, NPP leadership and as say there is no debate because just recently, Congress, ideas would donate 4 million Ghana cedi, 40 billion currency. There's a news amount for them say yes, a back contribution there. Kennedy Agyapong ye ne pickups near the day. Into omo me hu say mpanifo no apply wisdom. There's omo say for unity sake no kra no. Hu hia say okwa akodi de achinie no aye dede bebre na o say dede aba party ni. Until let sleeping dogs lie. So on the financial use on the den the best thing is for the party's unity.
Usually na or compared to former first lady Onyan baby called Mahamadu Bawumia and the rest. Now my comparison. This comparison, is it a fair comparison with regards to financial, kind of finance, media presence of Honorable Ken Agyapong and other things?
I think it's a fair comparison. And Kennedy Agyapong crown so. Anyoma na omobo boss no nyina fa financial muscle ne grassroots following ne media presence ne market room na wo donate to nyina. I think say nyina no Kennedy Agyapong wo more on his side in potential enipa mienu ya obo modin gusutano ene Konedu Ajimai Rollins esanse Kennedy still politics ni mwache afa kwan bi so build ne ho a just workers what ne ho a ya dey say be disruption to NPP party no. Me dem hu say so mutimi tenase no me resolve say anyoma we nyina e wo disciplinary committee
say MPP for mutimi sake Honorable Ken Agyapong said the opinion ekyoko kan na said the ono so ne public outburst city enso eno so omuntimi encontrol na so muntimi hu de omonye yi e de be pa na osusu se mpanifo no ya ebeboa ama 2028 motimi akonkoden
me de medwen se de MPP for pa de mu hia pote pa e ya asumdie a je se kwan ya mo be fa so ama asumdie ababia no esese ba me hu ni se Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ene mpanifo mienu bi e call Kennedy Agyapong won makwa akosra wo ne de enya de be solve problem no and clear example ne say Kennedy Agyapong esa ba abontin a osa be kasa die mi but who say specifically no enipa bi a Kennedy Agyapong who say omo kan kasa bi eti ano ankasa in ohwe ne interview oye obobo omudin no esa so omutimi match wo mo ana omo fro omo na disciplinary committee ya akwanya ba enyoma ko no mbeto omo sa afre ni sa ankofo ne timi ba ho no mbe pa na chew no oti ase e wo ho no ma announces agreement no be say be individual no be patch wo e be social media na say TV so o ma ba be patch wo na ntiase no aye adwuma yi enya sa dia one step forward one step backwards no be ko so asa aye adwuma enne nyoma bi nsusu a me hu ni say obobo so wo ne interview no ma osusu say enu nti ogina so kra no de bo ntre hen say 2027 June as July ade so be ba bonten sa nyoma na wo addressing wo sa interview no me sure say sa nyoma no nya omonya address sa nyoma na ntiase ye adwuma NPP for 2028.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.